So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++. And then once you're on this website, you're going to scroll down. We're going to be having two downloads right here, x86 and x64. To know which one you need, you're going to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. And then once you're on this, next to system type is going to be telling us, I'm on x64, so I'm getting that download. If your one says either x86 or x32, then you want to get the other download. For me, since I'm on x64, I'm going to be getting this download right here, x64. Wait for this to load. And then once it's been downloaded, we're now going to click on it. And now this will come up, you're going to tick this, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. Wait for this to load. If this comes up, you're going to click on yes. Wait for this to load. It should now be saying setup successful. Now you're going to close out of this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to the next link, which will be down below in the description, to download DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Now once you're on this, you're going to scroll down, select your language, and then click on download. We're now going to click on the download, and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on I accept, and then click on next. We can now untick this, and then click on next. It's now going to start installing components. Wait for this to load. And then click on next. Wait for this to load. It's now going to start downloading components. Wait for this to load. It's now going to start installing components. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you're going to click on finish. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.